We may or may not have just lost one of the drones. Dude, like seriously, that rock is super slippery.
Well, now we got a life or death situation going on. Not good.
A little stressed out right now.
Not good at all.
All right, Mr. Brown, it is 9 a.m. We are in Durango. What is the game plan?
I'm pretty excited for today because I have an adventure planned. We're going to be hitting Durango, Silverton, and Ouray on the $1 Million Highway, which is, I think, one of the most beautiful roads in America. It's also one of the most dangerous. It's extra windy, extra fun, up in the mountains. There's going to be a lot of snow, a lot of green. But they've never been, so I'm excited to take them through Colorado.
Yeah, I'm really stoked so far. We've been to Pagosa and we drove all the way to Durango, and wow, that wasn't even a scenic drive, and it was beautiful. So we're headed up north even more.
Yeah, the plan is we're gonna go hit Oscar's Café. I think they have the world famous cinnamon roll, so we gotta try that. And then the plan after that is stop somewhere cool in Silverton, hang out there, and then we're gonna stop in Ouray. Same plan.
Stops 3 and 4 of our journey through Southwest
the Southwest United States.
Southwest United States. Just wait, we have a lot surprise from Mom. I cannot wait to get to Mom. That's my favorite one. But either way, yeah, let's go grab some coffee.
All right, man.
Good? Excited. Outside Oscar's right now in Durango, Colorado. World famous cinnamon rolls, here we come. Let's go.
Super excited.
Woo! 42 years we've been here.
Same owner.
Same owner, same restaurant. Doing the same thing for 42 years. That's how you know they got it right. Chill. I don't know.
You think they have poached eggs?
Those fries over there, yeah, I know. They're huge. They look enormously big and amazing. Especially that coconut cream. I love coconut. Ooh, and the banana cream.
It looks insane.
It looks kind of scary.
That's crazy.
I'm excited though.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh
my god, look at that. That's a pretty amazing avocado toast. Look how much avocado they gave me. When do you ever get that much avocado toast?
Las preguntas.
Tastes like a king cake. I swear to God. Like a Louisiana king cake. Pretty happy right now. We did some damage. Look at this. I mean, cinnamon rolls, chili verde, French toast, sourdough bread.
I didn't do it.
Alright, we are just finishing up stop number 3 of the trip, which is Durango, and it was fantastic. We just got done eating at Oscar's. Best cinnamon roll I've ever had, and best chili verde I've ever had. So if you're ever down in Durango, go check it out. Right now we're gonna head out to Silverton. We're gonna see what it looks like. So I'll see you guys there. Let's get going. Alright, well we just got to our stop number 4 of our trip and we are in Silverton. Oh my god, the whole drive over here was the most beautiful drive I've ever seen in my entire life. We're gonna check out the city. We just got into town and already we see right behind me an Imperial Hotel. I mean, apparently it's a famous hotel. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna check out what Silverton has to offer.
we have officially visited the world's highest Harley Davidson store. 9,318 feet. Pretty cool.
All I wanted was a Silverton coffee, and I've struck out the first time at Brown Bear Cafe, but we're gonna keep looking, gonna keep searching around. There's gotta be coffee somewhere.
A few moments later.
Another cafe closed. Not looking good for me right now. Strike two.
Beautiful. It's amazing work. Come on. I was looking at pieces because I was like, I want to look maybe if I get another piece for the house, because you guys know that I like. But yeah, it's crazy. It's so beautiful here. Yep, doing it. Screw it. I found a bunny, but if you look closely, it's not normal. I don't know why it was catching my eye. And there's cloth, and then there's glass around it. So it's like they had cloth. I don't know how they did it, but there's cloth in there.
You getting that for your house?
Getting that from my house. Something, because you know I just like those crazy unique statues in my house. Boom, we got another one. There, look at that. Look at the dog. It's a dog's face. Hey, come on. Yeah.
Success. We found it.
Coffee.
I'm excited.
Having such a hard time.
Nate, go get him. So we have to get somebody next door, which we were just at for coffee. No one's here. So let's continue.
Like what?
It was like Candyland, this entire place, because it's all really authentic, especially the blacksmith. Oh my God, are you kidding me? I loved his shop. He took us in depth. We got to go in the back. Oh, I bought so much stuff from him. I almost made a trade with him. I have a keychain. He wanted to make a trade, but I'm gonna come back up here. I'm gonna hopefully get my logo made by him. He said he would do it for me, and we can make a trade with my keychain. So I'm excited. Hopefully it'll work out. We are just finally arriving at the very first open coffee shop. We've been to 3 now, and they've all been closed. Let's get going to Ouray. Oh my God! Woo! We're on our way to Ouray from Silverton, and we're on the $1 Million Highway. But I can't get over the views here. Like, we're running out of batteries for the cameras because we're stopping so much. We only have 1 drone battery left because we have stopped so many times because it's just ridiculously beautiful. Look at this waterfall. I mean, come on, everything. Look at this, guys. Like, come on. Yeah, I'm in love with this place. I really want to come back no matter what. I think I'm going to come back here and definitely spend a majority of time on this highway. But let's continue on to Ouray and see how beautiful it is, because it's just going to get more and more. This entire trip has just been getting better and better, so let's go.
By the way, I crashed my drone, so that'll be some exciting footage to see. Barely saved it, flew into a pine tree, battery was critically low. It was forcing me to land, went into a pine tree, went into some other trees, somehow saved it, got it back up on the road. Luckily I didn't hit a car didn't hit me, and I was able to land it on the side. So Now Juan's gonna try to fly his drone near the waterfall. Where's he going?
We may or may not have just lost one of the drones. We don't really know. Like I said, we were running low on batteries and we only have one battery pack left. And obviously, this is one of the most beautiful spots that we stopped. So we wanted to try to fly it under that bridge right there.
So I've legit crashed mine, and I think Juan's has disappeared forever. He literally just jumped the guardrail to go try to find
Hey,
it.
whoa, you better be careful, man.
That's
not smart. Like seriously, that rock is super slippery. You could slip out of there so easily.
the man's insane. All for a drone.
It's been like 5 minutes, he's still over there. I think he sees it. He just hopped the fence, making me really nervous right now because this rock is super slippery and yeah, it's not worth it with the drone, so I hope he comes back soon.
Not smart. Not smart at all. Easily over 100-foot drop.
Get it, you got it, you got it. You got it.
Oh my God.
We got it. We didn't lose no drone. We're good.
Or Juan.
Or Juan.
We didn't
More
lose
importantly,
Juan.
Juan. Yeah.
I had to put my hand in the water.
Oh no.
Look, it's cold.
Woo! That is cold.
No, but the water was moving slow right there. I jumped here, and then I came down. Yeah, it was right here.
Where?
Right there.
It's
Where
right
that,
there.
let's say that white rock was holding it. So I came down.
No way, Juan.
What do you think of that drive?
So beautiful. Well, it was so beautiful that we had to pull the drone out everywhere.
Yeah, we had to stop so many times.
Well, right now we're at Ouray Brewing Company and we're having some lunch and well, actually kind of dinner lunch. I would 1,000% recommend it. I'm coming back here. I know for a fact I want to come back. You know, I wish we could spend multiple days just going through the highway, but we can't because we're on schedule. But still, we got tons of footage. It was beautiful and it's just insane. It's ridiculous here. So
I suggest anyone that wants to get an idea of places to go to subscribe to our channel and take a look at the places that they want to visit.
stop number 505, right?
506.
Yeah, we're gonna stop at a place called Bonton. I think Bonton. All right, guys. Well, we just finished up dinner at Bonton in Ouray, Colorado. It is the last stop of our Colorado adventures, and next is Moab. But if you have the opportunity to come to Colorado and drive the $1 Million Highway up through Durango, Silverton, and Ouray, and keep on going, I would 1,000% recommend it, guys. I had the best day of 2021 so far, and I mean that. I mean it. It was so much fun. If you have the opportunity to come check it out, 100% go and drive the $1 Million Highway. Beautiful. But anyways, on our way to Moab now. We're gonna continue the journey and we're gonna have a great time tomorrow. We're gonna drive around some Can-Ams and have a fun time. And as always, guys, I hope you're spreading lots of love and I hope you have a lovely day. And I'll see you next time.